Some supplements can make you nauseous because they have magnesium stearate in them. They have, they're not as clean supplements. A lot of them have some different additives in there. And if you take a supplement on an empty stomach, it can make you sick, which I suggest not taking those kind of supplements. So like if a supplement does make you sick, when you have an empty stomach, then you shouldn't take it. But if you're taking whole food vitamins, then if you think about it, it's just whole foods that's kind of ground up. And so that means that you are taking some food, right? So it depends on how kind of Nazi you want to be with the fasting. Like, for example, some people say, okay, if I fast and I kind of have bulletproof coffee, or if I fast with coconut oil, then I'm fine. Well, again, if you are on a clean fast, then you should be taking your supplements when you eat. That's the best thing to do. I, every once in a while, will take supplements just to kind of keep in my routine. I'll take some whole food supplements, and nothing is really changing. So I feel like it's kind of one of those things. It's like, this is not what's breaking you. You know what I mean? Like, this is not going to be like, oh my gosh, I can't lose my last 10 pounds because I'm taking a supplement. Yeah. So it's like, it's not as big of a deal as people are saying. But if you want to be really Nazi about it, then just take the supplement at lunchtime or whenever you open your window.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waist Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waist Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the Fasting Reset Summit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.